Today's recipe is a traditional Pakistani dessert called Zarda, which is served at weddings. It's similar to a rice pudding but without milk, and it is very colorful. Let's go and see what we need. Boil 4 glasses of water. Add 1 teaspoon of food color. Add 1 cup of washed and drained rice. Boil until the rice is completely cooked. Drain the rice and set aside. Place a pan on a medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. Add 3 green cardamon pods and 3 cloves and cook for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and cook for a few seconds. Cover the pan immediately to avoid splashes. Add 500 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water and stir constantly for 1 minute. Add the boiled rice. And stir the mixture. Add a handful of raisins, almonds, and thinly sliced coconut or whatever available like sultanas and cashews. Now cover and simmer on a very low heat for 20 minutes. If you like Zarda, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. I will see you next time.